Guys, wizideaz here, and in today's video I am going to show you how I created 7 of these badass effects using CapCut.
Number 1, the highlight line. First, import your page into the editing timeline. Increase the size of the page, add in a text layer and extend the text to the same length as the page. Drag the text to this part of the screen so you can see it clearly. Edit the text to 2_. Change the color to any of your choice and scroll down to uniform scale and toggle it off. Adjust the height and width to fit the length of the text you want to highlight. Change the percentage here to make the job easy for you. Click on text, go to animation and select the wipe right option. Adjust the duration according to your page duration. Copy the text, paste it and place it exactly like this. Adjust the length of the text and its position on the page. Select both text and create a compound clip. To do that, right click on your mouse and select the option that says create a compound clip. Scroll down to blend. Turn it on and select any of the effects of your choice. This is what the brightening effect looks like. This is what darken looks like, but I'm going to make use of the multiple effect. This effect looks really cool, but here's another creative way you can make visible emphasis on your page, your script or any item you want to display on your screen. This is the magnifying effect. Add in the page or item, extend the length as desired. Copy and paste it here. Click on the copied item and go to mask. Select the rectangle option and turn off the visibility of the first page. Place the mask on the part of the page you want to show. Go to basic and turn on the scale keyframe. Go to a few frames forward and add another keyframe. Add a third keyframe a few frames forward and scale the frame as desired. Turn on the visibility for the first page and add keyframes exactly the same positions you did for the second page. On the third keyframe, reduce the opacity so the second page will be more visible. This is what it should look like. Now, to return this page back to its normal position, add 2 keyframes towards the end of the page, and on the second keyframe, reduce the size like this. Repeat the same keyframe process for this first page, and on the second keyframe, increase the opacity. You should end up with the result like this. Now for this effect, add in your scene or video into the editing timeline. This is the original video. Go to adjustment and toggle the saturation down to 0. Add a text layer and edit it to an hyphen. Add a color and increase the size to cover the entire screen. Click on this option and select the export still frame option. Add name, location and resolution and export it. Delete the text layer and go back to the import option. You should find the frame you just saved. Pick it and add it into the timeline. Go to blend and select the overlay option. Add the clip and scale it up to size with the previous one. Go to remove background. Using the chroma key option, select the color picker tool and choose the red color in the frame. Adjust the intensity to completely eliminate the red color. You should have this final effect. Now this fourth effect is pretty easy. Add your clip and a text layer. Edit the text into anything you want and add a color or a background. Scale down the size and click on tracking. Drag and scale down the size of the track box to the moving object you want to track. Click on start and allow CapCut AI to do the trick. It should look like this. Now for the fifth effect, guys. This is the text intro and outro effect. So you should use a black background for this. I couldn't find one on time, so I transformed this yellow background to black. Add a text layer and edit it to any word of your choice. I'm going with the Avengers because of the video I want to use. Add some colors. Go to the starting of the clip and add a keyframe under the scale feature. Go to the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Change the percentage to 9999% to fill the entire screen. Right click on the text and select the show keyframe animation. Select the keyframe and click on the graph option. Select this quad in option. You can go ahead and tweak this anyhow you like. Right click again and select the hide keyframe option. Export this clip. Now go to import and add in the exported clip and the video you want to use. Arrange them exactly like this. Select the exported clip and go to remove BG. Select the chroma key and use the color picker tool to pick the blue color. Adjust the intensity to remove the color. Rotate and scale the video clip if yours is exactly like mine. Go ahead and speed up the text. I'm very okay with what I have, so I will make no changes here. Copy the exported clip and paste it at the end of the video. Right click on your mouse, go to edit and select the reverse option. Now this is really cool. Number 6, the double exposure effect. Open a blank canvas on CapCut and add a text layer. Edit it to any word you want. Select a really bold font. Add a background clip and adjust both to the same length. Add a contrast color to the bike text and export the clip, just like this. Delete it and add the exported clip. Also add in the video clip you want. Arrange them like this. Click on the exported clip and remove the color of the bike to make it transparent. Export the clip. On the blank canvas, add in the exported clip and the video clip you want to use. Remove the yellow color using the Remove BG tool. Go to the effects and select the blur option. Drag it to the video and adjust the intensity. Scale up the exported clip to any of your choice and reduce the opacity of the video. You should end up with something like this. This is the last effect, but certainly not the last video. I'm going to use this talking clip of myself for this one. Drop it into the timeline and add 3 text layers. Edit the text to any word of your choice. I am going with this. Highlight the 3 texts and cut them like this. Leave some extra parts just like this. Now highlight each of the 3 texts and give it a font. Repeat this process until the last one, but with a different font for each. Adjust the position of each text layer like this. To adjust the color effect, add 3 keyframes to the first layer in these positions. On the 3rd keyframe, change the color to any of your choice. Repeat the same keyframe arrangement for the other text layers and you end up with something like this. Now if you have all of these effects at your fingertip and you don't have a solid video idea, you are still missing a crucial piece. But with that said, you still don't have to wait for the next perfect video idea to come to you before using these effects. Watch this video if you are struggling to get the perfect YouTube video idea for your next video and upload. Cheers.